everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Igho, and I feel like I haven't been here in so long. I haven't posted a video in about 3 weeks, and I apologize for that. I had to go on an unintentional break, but I am back, and we're back to creating content. I've got a lot of new videos coming up, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. But for this video today specifically, I'm excited to share that I am collaborating with a new friend and a fellow DIY YouTuber, Pelumz. Her channel is Pelumz Secrets. She has a really cool and fast-growing YouTube channel. We've recently become online friends, and now we decided to collaborate for the first time. So if you're not already subscribed to her, then I am honored to introduce you to her. So go there and show her some love. So in today's video, in collaboration with Pelumz, we're both going to be showing you how we made this sequin t-shirt. She found it, and so we decided to make it. Now, I haven't seen her, so I don't know what I don't know how she's going to go about making hers. So I'm really excited to see how hers turns out as well. At the time when I'm filming this video, I actually haven't even seen it. So without much ado and chit-chatting, let's get straight into this tutorial. But after my video, make sure you head over to her channel to watch her version, and make sure you subscribe, show her some love, follow her on social media. I will leave a link to her channel in the description box, so check it out. That's it, guys. I'm done. Let's make a sequin t-shirt. Guys, so for this tutorial, you're going to need a t-shirt. You're going to need two separate types of fabric. The shirt that we're trying to model ours after has sequin fabric in the middle and some snake print fabric at the bottom. So I have my plain shirt here, and I have a stretch of black sequin fabric that I'm going to be using across the middle, and I have this floral pattern fabric that it's like a leftover from something that I made, so that's going to be at the bottom of my shirt. So we're using a shirt, two different types of fabric, one floral pattern and one sequin pattern. You're going to need a pair of scissors, needle, thread, and basic sewing supplies. And when you're buying your shirt, you really don't have to pick anything too expensive. Just pick a basic t-shirt, round neck or v-neck, whichever way you want that. That's entirely your preference. So I'm going to cut the bust area right underneath the armpit holes, but I'm going to leave a 1/4 inch seam allowance for joining the other parts. So I'm just going to cut my shirt. Hopefully I'll find something to do with the bottom part of this shirt later on. So for the two bottom pieces, as you can see, I've gone ahead and I've hemmed them around to the exact width that I want them to be. I've gone ahead and I've done that. So I've gone ahead and I've done that. So now that I have these pieces, I'm just going to, so now that we have these pieces, putting them right sides facing each other, I'm just going to join the sequin piece to the bottom floral piece. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Right side facing each other. So just go ahead and pin it around first. Okay, so now that I've pinned both parts together, right sides facing each other, I'm just going to go ahead and sew around, and I'm just going to go ahead and sew the pieces together that way. So I've joined the two bottom pieces together, and I've gone ahead and hemmed the bottom, the new bottom piece, and I've also serged the pieces so to give it that neat finish. So now that we have this bottom piece, I'm just going to reattach it to the t-shirt right sides facing each other. So now I've pinned the top of the t-shirt, the top of the vest, to our new bottom piece. I've pinned them all around just like I did for this bottom part. So I'm just going to go around and sew all of this together like I did for this part. And that is the last part. After that, you're done. Your t-shirt is ready. And that is the end of the tutorial. It's so quick and really simple, like I said. Hey guys, so this is what the final product looks like. This is what it ended up looking like. Like I told you guys, I wanted mine to be fitted. I wanted it to be fitted, so I picked a shirt that was really snug. I even went as far as like holding the sleeve just a little because I wanted mine to look more like a top and less like a t-shirt. But I guess the one thing I would say is when you're doing this, make sure you use stretchy fabric, because I use stretchy fabric, and that's why like mine is able to, I guess that's why it works. But this is the final result. I really liked how it came out. It's casual, but it's not too casual. You know, just takes the t-shirt to another level, and I like that. So like I said at the beginning, this is a collaboration. If you want to see how Pelumz did hers, head over to her channel, go show her some love. Make sure you subscribe. I'll also leave a link to her channel and to her version of this video in the description box and at the end of this video. So just click on and watch. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this collaboration as much as we did. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you have any other ideas of collaborations that I could do, or any other DIYs that you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the description box or reach out to me via social media, or you can also email me. Yeah, that works. Again, thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Mwah.